Go.
So we're down here at the Capitol building in Boise, Idaho today, and there is an amazing car show going on here. Cars I have never seen, and I've been around here for a while. We're gonna check out some of them. You're gonna probably hear the generic music in the background because of course they're playing copywritten music. I don't want to get a copyright strike, but we're gonna check out some amazing cars, from American muscle cars to British cars. And Italian cars. It's amazing. We'll start right now.